how to change the keyboard on your Android device. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Open your settings. While this may be under a different header, you need to look for the language and inputs or the keyboard settings. In my case, I'm using the Huawei phone, so it is under this system. This is what you have to find out, that where is your language and input settings. You need to click that, and over here you will see the keyboards which are installed in your Android device, as well as the keyboards which are selected. Those who are selected will be with the check mark, and those who are deselected will be with a blank box. So you need to first select the keyboards from here which you want to have enabled on your device. And once you're done, now you just need to open anything where you can just type, meaning by that your keyboard pop-ups and it appears on the screen. So once it is there, you would see a keyboard icon on the bottom right hand side. Once you will click that, you will have all the keyboards which are installed, or as it is saying right now that you can select the input method. So right now my Google keyboard is selected. I'm going to shift back to Huawei keyboard, and there it is. Now you can see that my keyboard has been changed. So if I want to go back to the Google keyboard, I would just click that and I will come back to the Google. So that's how you can change the keyboard on your Android device. In this channel, we are trying to demystify the complexities of digital world by making the simple tech tutorials like this one. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and share this video.